andyan. Standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent 17 years old student, and I am currently studying in Arellano, University of Manila, and I am proud to say that I am your Queen of Quezon City 2024, second runner-up. My real name is Johanna Carla Alcantara Garcia in real life. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name, your one and only, your Miss International Queen 2012, Miss Kevin Balot. Kevin Balot na nagsasabi, bata man po ako sa inyong paningin, huwag niyong mamalitin dahil sa ganitong uri ng patimpala. Tiyak na isa lang ang batang kontisera nagtatatak. Judges, my national costume that I'm wearing tonight is inspired by the giant lantern capital of the Philippines, San Fernando, province of Pampanga. Pag sinabi nating national costume, dapat may baon kang pasabog. And judges, mark my number because I'll give you the best show and the night to remember. Thank you.